Hello, my name is Evan, and this is my Maine App Challenge submission. For my Maine App Challenge submission, I created a video game called Maze Runner. And Maze Runner is a game where you control a player character, which is a little white circle, through a maze to try and get to a green square to win. For the idea of Maze Runner, I saw this video online, and it was this maze where people had remote control cars and they had to complete the maze as fast as possible. I saw their remote control cars making very quick turns, and it was very fast. And that was the main idea for this game, along with Snake. So, right here, this is my Maze Runner game. And honestly, I hope anybody can play it. Anybody who wants to just chill out, relax, and try something new, maybe, and just play a video game. So this is the Maze Runner. If we click Run, here we are. Starts out, main menu screen. About this app, Maze Runner. This is Maze Runner, an app where you play as a white circle to try and get to a green square. Once you get to this screen, you can click either About This App or Continue. And when you click Continue, it gives you choosing a level. Starting off with level 1. As you can see, we have WASD to move. If you touch the walls or the rectangles, you die. Oops. Hold on. And to win, you get to the green square. Boom. Alright, win. Next level. And the levels get increasingly difficult as you continue. Oops. Try again. You get as many tries as you want. I actually had some of my classmates playtest this, and it was, some of them were difficult, but in the end, which I think is very good for a lot of games, is you get the rhythm down of the game, and in the end you do beat it. And I think the best part for me was the look on their faces when they beat the level, level 9, which was the hardest, was just amazing. So this app took me quite a bit. Took me quite a bit to actually finish the app. Right now I'm going to look into a little bit of the code. Here we have all our variables at the top. When I was just starting out with coding, I would just randomly put my variables. As I continued to code and learn, I organized my code much better. So all my variables are at the top. I have some on events here, which is all the regular buttons, like the home button when you want to press and go back to the home screen, the about, and then you have all the level buttons, which all lead to functions. The retry button, which is just a bunch of if-else statements, else-if statements, start game. And all these, it's actually funny because once I got the first bit of code, it was first bit of code was actually kind of difficult to come up with, but once I got it, it was just kind of rinse and repeat for the rest of the levels. Here we have the death screens. Now, this is my first one that I made. And as I was learning to code, I learned how to make it much neater. So there's a different layout of the code that I could have done to get all these death screens, and then you have the win screen for the green circle. And then this is for when you beat level 9. Now that you know a little bit more about the Maze Runner app, why not test it out, try it out, and see if you can beat all 9 levels. If you can, good job, and good on you. And thank you for testing out my app. Thank you very much. See ya.